Okay, so today we're going to talk about free of charge deliveries in SD. It is best practice BDA in S4HANA, and I want to go through firstly why we need free of charge deliveries. Then we'll go through the process in Fiori and show a bit of configuration how you can set up this process. So the reasons why businesses usually use free of charge deliveries is firstly when they want to send free samples to customers for whatever reason. Also when they want to ship out promotional goods and there's no pricing involved. Maybe there's a subsequent delivery due to a shipment split. The customer is already paid for everything, and this is just a delivery to get the final shipment out. Also, then if the customer returned damaged goods or goods that were for whatever reason is not good enough, or there were some defects, then you can ship out a free of charge delivery. Okay, so let's start off with the process. Firstly, these are the apps that you'll need to run through the process. There's an app created specifically for sales orders without charge. Then we'll create the delivery and the billing documents. So let's jump into it. Firstly, let's open the app. Again, you will just create your sales order without charge. And in S4HANA, there's a sales document type specifically available for this, CBFD, which you can select. You select your sales area and you continue. Before we go further, I just want to show you firstly the configuration for that document type in transaction VOV8. So there we can look at the document type is CBFD. So in the config, a few important fields that you have to look at. Firstly, there's the document category, which is I. In this case, it's specifying it's a order without charge. That you have to make sure that's selected. You can also set up an incompletion procedure specifically for orders without charge. In this case, this one was selected. And then important, the document pricing procedure, which you can set up a separate procedure for free of charge deliveries. In this case, we are looking at procedure Y1. Then I want to jump to how you link the pricing procedure to your config. So in transaction OVKK, we can go to our sales organization 1710 10, and the document pricing procedure was Y1. So again, this is where you link the pricing procedure that will pop up in your sales document when you create the sales order. So going back to the sales order, we're selecting the ship to party 171. We're going to take this one. Customer reference is 12345, and maybe a delivery, a reference date, which we can select today. Secondly, we have to add all the reason why we have this free of charge delivery, so you can actually maintain these reasons in configuration. Now again, maybe the previous goods were damaged in transit, so in this case we're selecting this reason, and this can be tracked via reporting why we have the free of charge delivery. Very important. The material that we're going to ship out is TG11 and the order quantity of 2. Now I want to take you to the item category, CBXN. It's selected by default for the free of charge delivery. So going back to our configuration, I want to go to VOV7 to show you the settings there. You go to item category CBXN. Here it is, and in here, important fields. Firstly, you have to make sure that the pricing is set to B, which means the pricing is pricing for free goods, 100% discount. Okay, so that's important from a configuration point of view on the item category. So going back to the sales order, you'll see the net value is 0. You can also go into the details itself for the item. There's the quantity, and in here you'll see, even though we have pricing elements here, the net value is 0 and the tax is 0. Very important. Now we can save it, and we can go back to our manage sales orders with our charge app and just display. You can see the overall status is open for this, and then let's change the sales order. Now I want to go in and just confirm what is the shipping date is 16/08, and our shipping point, just to confirm that as well, shipping point is 1710. So now we can create a delivery. We're going to select the date, which is the 16th, and the shipping point is 1710. Right, so in here we can just save the delivery. Delivery is created. Now we can do the picking, which is a standard process. So we pick it, and we can do the goods issue. And that completes the picking process. So let's create a billing document. We can go to VFO1. Here we go. You can see again the net value. The billing type is F2, but the net price is 0, which you can then save. And there's the billing document that we created. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe for more quality content on S4HANA SD.